Ready to supercharge your YouTube channel? Let's dive into VidIQ and discover how it can transform your content creation journey. First question: what is VidIQ primarily designed to help content creators achieve? Is it A, grow their channel, B, promote on TikTok, C, design thumbnails, or D, edit videos? The correct answer is A, grow their channel. VidIQ provides powerful analytics and tools to optimize your content strategy for maximum growth. Fun fact: channels using VidIQ see an average of 30% more views. Next up, which of these is a key feature VidIQ offers to improve video discoverability? Is it A, keyword research, B, social scheduling, C, email marketing, or D, live streaming? The right answer is A, keyword research. VidIQ's keyword tools help you find the best search terms to target, boosting your video's visibility. Did you know that effective keyword research can increase your video's organic reach by up to 50%? Thanks for taking the VidIQ trivia quiz. How did you score? Share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content creation tips and tricks.